Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock as for the primary stock for this video, and then also take you over other semiconductors. So I'll take you over AMD, ARM, Broadcom, and SMCI, and also Micron. So SMCI, I have an update on that as well, and on my position, and then AMD, we had a downgrade today. So I have done a video on AMD already in the morning. Check that out on my channel if you want to know more in depth there. That's the only red semiconductor that we have today. Poor AMD. That analyst really didn't want AMD to go higher. But anyways, we'll talk about that as well. And QQQ and SPY, guys, I already talked about with the tech stocks video that I did today, and also Tesla is already on my channel. So check those out if you're interested. Anyways, so let's jump right into Nvidia. Once I also let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is purely for education purposes. Guys, please ignore this wick that you are seeing on Trading View on Nvidia. This is not relevant. There is no spike of such type happened in the post market or pre-market. I can show you on hourly interval as well here. There is nothing. Oh, sorry. There is nothing of such type. All right. Now, before going into the in-depth on the technicals, I just want to show you really quickly my day trading bot. This is on Nvidia, net profitable, last 30 trades, and also today also was a profitable day. AMD was red today, but bot still was able to catch on to the rebound and made money on the upside as well. And you can see the data here, and also last 30 trades we are net profitable. ARM looking great on this as well. Great days net profitability, coming in on this as well. You can see the table as well on the left side. Then this is on Broadcom, also net profitable, and also today was also a profitable day. And again, guys, there will be red days as well. I'm not taking guarantee of anything here. But anyways, this is some of the data. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below this video. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. All right. So let's jump back to our analysis here, starting off with Nvidia. So, all right, let's start off with the daily interval, ignoring this candle up on the top, or not the candle, sorry, the wick. It's a glitch on Trading View right now. And so, guys, we are still technically bullish. We haven't really broken below 115 and 86 cents. And this is the area of, structure hold and the support on this. Even if we lose this level, sure, some more cool off may come, but I expect 20 days moving average to just provide it that bounce again, and then we'll see until where that bounce comes. But that's still further out in the price action. But structure is still bullish on Nvidia. All right. So let's go to the hourly interval, and let's talk about some more things here. So this was the level that I was talking about in the morning as well. This range. And guys, the reason there are just so many intraday levels showing up right now is for the reason that after a split, the chart and everything has adjusted to the size down and the scale down. But the price and originality of its volatility, what it was before, it's also sized down, but due to that weight addition, that the importance to certain areas has been given. That's one of the reasons you are seeing so many of these levels. But if you extend this further out, like pan out, things will get much more in relativeness. It's just that when I was having it squeezed down, you will see so many lines there. But just wanted to also highlight that. But anyways, so, but you can see where we have the congestion is where it defines also the strong areas to watch. But as for the structure, as long as this is the area I was talking about, like $121 range, 50 cents, right? We found some support there a little bit later as well after a pullback, and that's still a structural support, guys, this one. Actually, this will get more clear on the lower time frame. Let me just give me a second. I'll take you there as well. But all in all, Nvidia is still holding a bullish structure even on the intraday, and most likely we can continue higher as long as we don't break. Let me show you what level. As long as we don't break this level of, this is also marked by my indicator day trading levels plus the orange line, 120 and 89 cents precisely. Now this is where we have had supports and resistance and the breakout, right? So this is where if we can hold intraday, if we hold above this tomorrow and we stay above it, it's an intraday long play. If we break below it, there is some, you can expect some cool off, at least to the level of like 118 and even 118 and below. I'm not expecting anything on Nvidia lower than this $118. All right. Yeah, so don't get too much worried about that. And yeah, so, and also don't worry about this today's range of $78. This is incorrect, because the glitch that I just showed you on TradingView, this is a TradingView thing. Once TradingView fixes that glitch that I showed you, that huge candle showing up, this range will also fix itself here. So it's just a little bit of a glitch showing up here. For it just happened in the post market for some reason. I don't know, maybe TradingView is still adjusting our post split data on Nvidia. So anyway, so that's the level you are watching. But yeah, technically it's still in this bullish structure on the swing side and also on intraday side. On intraday, as long as we stay above 120 and 89 cents, it can stay bullish. If we break below that, some more cool off may come on this. All right, so just keep that in mind, and that's pretty much it. That's simple, easy peasy. Nvidia is still not complicated to trade. That's the only area I am more interested to watch, okay, on intraday. And above and below is the game in that direction. I expect Nvidia to stay up here maybe for some more days, and if it breaks 125 and 50 cents area, then that's a new support on this, and this will continue higher. Right now, just so you know, Nvidia doesn't have any structure break to the downside. It's full on bullish. I'm seeing some news like Nvidia insiders selling and all that stuff. That's great. Why shouldn't they also make money, right? They should also make money. They're in the market to make money. Economists warns, wow, crash of a lifetime is coming. Predicts S&P 500 to plummet 86% from the top. Oh no. All right, guys, here's the thing. These things will keep coming out, and you know, who knows, we might go 86% down, but am I seeing anything in the technicals right now to that confirmation happens? No. So if I start to see in the technicals, I'll start talking about the downside. But as soon as price, look, we do the technicals, price structure, and based off of that we trade. Like, people have been saying that crash is coming all and at these stops forever, but it just never happens. Stay with the technicals, and on across QQ and SPY, still right now technicals are bullish. On Nvidia, technicals are still bullish. When things will get on the breaking side, I'll talk about it. But right now I'm not saying. But this is, let's see what they are saying. Prominent financial author and economist Harry Dent remains steadfast in his December prediction of the crash of a lifetime. In a recent interview, okay, a 14-year bubble yet to burst, Dent highlighted the uniqueness of the current bubble, comparing to its natural bubble from 1925 to 1929, which lacked the artificial stimulus seen today. All right, they're just going in speculation. But anyways, December is still quite far out. Market can go 86% up until then, and then plummet 86% from there. Who knows? Well, anyways, you know, yeah, I'm not too worried about these articles. Again, I'm not saying market will keep going up, but right now I'm seeing the technicals are still bullish. When technicals will show me bearishness, I'll talk about that. But right now, technicals are not showing me any of that downside. All right, I want to talk about AMD as well. And so we have a downgrade today on AMD. So yeah, what is AMD stock trading? Oh, they had to say why is AMD stock trading anyways. Morgan Stanley analyst downgraded the stock from overweight to equal weight. Yeah, why would they do that? Yeah, I'm not quite sure. And yeah, so that was that. AMD is the only outlier today, looking weak, right? And all other semiconductors are up, but my bot still made money even when AMD was falling. So, well, with AMD, guys, as I have talked in the morning video as well, so yes, guys, this is again a structure break. Looks like it has closed below 50 days moving average. It has a room to continue lower. And am I looking to open up a short play again? Well, let's see. I will see. But yes, it's technically bearish. As long as it doesn't get above 162 and 54 cents, structure will remain bearish on this thing from tomorrow onwards. and you can expect downside. And I might be intrigued and interested again to open up a short play. You can see previous one didn't work out, but I won't rush into it, but most likely I would want to open up this short play, and maybe somewhere here I want to see, yeah, let's see, somewhere here I would want to open up a short play. If rebound comes and it rejects at that level that I talked about up here, 161 and 77 cents somewhere, then I'll try to short into that, but we'll see. I want to see a rejection at those levels that I showed you on the hourly interval before I open this short play. All right, ARM. Let's take a look at that. So guys, this has been fully bullish. I have been saying this is bullish, this is bullish, this is bullish, this is bullish. Pullbacks are just getting bought back up. It is still bullish. Any pullback again to 135.42 cents is still bullish on this thing. Right now, I'm just not seeing any structure break to the downside. This thing, if it wants, can just continue lower. Pullbacks can just be bought back up on this. Stop loss. Again, this is not the time to buy a big position. Time to buy positions were here in the pullbacks. This is the time to take partial profits. All right. And yeah, as long as if any, like any pullback to level of 129 and 95 cents is just a pullback, technically structure will still remain bullish until then. Broadcom is it selling off again at all-time highs? Well, trying to a little bit, but it's technically still bullish. The structure will only change on this if it, without going further, if it breaks below $1,403, then only it will become structure to the downside. For intraday, let's see on hourly interval. And oh, sorry, here we go. I was just waiting for those levels to show up. So even on intraday, yeah, pullback looks like it may be bought back up on this. Right now, it's just in the higher highs, higher low structure. All right, SMCI. So it's important to pay attention on SMCI in this video because I don't have any short position anymore, guys. I covered my short position. I won't get enough time to do a complete separate dedicated video on SMCI, so this would be it. I got out fully because when I saw this green candle today, I take out the previous green candle. I just got fully out of my short position, and yes, still net profitable, but it's just that the price action was still holding support here while taking out the previous green candle, and I didn't want to leave any position here. And so this, oops, yeah, there is no short position for me left here. 0% short position remaining. So yes, what is with SMCI? Well, guys, here's the thing. This could be a start of a new support level on this, but it's technically not full on. Structure is not full on bullish, but this could be a start of it turning bullish. But structure fully technically would become bullish once we get above 835 at least. Let's take a look at hourly interval. All right, and so. And this is what I also talked about in my video over the weekend, that SMCI, if it can starts to regain above these levels like 790 or so, this can start to turn back again a little bit to the upside, and looks like it wants to do that. Yeah, so just because it didn't go lower, it didn't do that flush and started to break structure to the upside, and also regaining these levels. Like tomorrow, if it goes above 790, it can continue higher. And just the way the candle has come, this is more like a demand candle, and in my opinion, pullbacks may continue higher on this. Just my opinion though, but at this point, I'm not comfortable holding on to that short play more, and that was that for me. Yeah, so just because this support is still holding and this candle held as well, and we will see what happens. If again. It's all about how much probability and risk tolerance and price action, what you want to do, right? And so yeah, if tomorrow we break below 763, sure, it can continue lower. And I'll see if I want to open that short play again more, this is another flush play that can happen. But right now, at least right now, the way the price is, I'm not seeing that. Micron. So Micron is just full on bullish, guys. I have been saying the structure is not bearish on this. And yeah, we are even above 130 and 36 cents, just bullish. Right now, any pullback to the level of 131.90 cents or 130 and 46 cents, as long as these levels keep holding, we are just still bullish on Micron. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. And most importantly, I want you to talk Nvidia and other semiconductors as well. I'll start putting other semiconductors together with Nvidia moving forward. Because yeah, it just makes sense to do all of the semiconductors together with Nvidia as well. All right, guys. Then, so with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.